So this is pretty much what I've been reduced to, is chucking worms down birds' throats. It would probably be easier if I got a tweezers. And if I could hold on to them. Shut your mouth, you got one. Cubs, and eat two of them then. No, get down. Close your mouth. Oh my goodness. Nope, we're just gonna let it crawl out. Nope. Don't want to eat that one either. Oh my goodness. Yeah! I think he spilled it out anyway. Oh my goodness. You got one in your mouth. There you go. There you go. Oh, no, you gotta shut your mouth. There you go. Pick them off the floor. You're stepping on them. Wow, look at your feet. Trying to teach them how to feed themselves. I'm hoping they get the point of like, hey, this comes off the floor for right now. I know, don't bite me. Here, open your mouth. Here. Some of them I'm getting in really decent. Here. Open your mouth. Oh, this is gonna be a long night. Here. Yeah, get him. Get him. Don't peck at each other. Peck the ones on the floor. I guess I should not look through the phone to do this. Okay, I'm getting the tweezers. This is pathetic.